Hi again. It's me, Robert, with Miller Education Ventures. Don't let those statistics in the up graph startle you at all the way from music, all the way down to through the different crafts and so forth. Now, one thing I want to tell you that's very important, and you must take this into consideration, when you're looking at the different industries, the different markets, the different niches that you want to get into, they change. They constantly are changing. 1 minute it could be this, which is possibly a fad. It could be something else that is a seasonal product. As an example, let's use the hula hoop. It was really great back in the 60s and 70s. It is slowly coming back in, but that is a fad. Another example would be fidget spinners. The slinky, if you know what that is. I used to play with the slinky. But also at the same time, seasonal could be something that is very in high demand, such as chocolates or flowers at Valentine's Day, or seasonal as in Easter, which is the eggs, the Easter bunny, and so forth. Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day. You get what I mean? And when you're researching the niches, you want something that is going to be, they use the word evergreen. It doesn't really mean anything. It just means something that is going to be in demand on a constant, regular basis throughout the year. So that list that I gave you above this video, don't let that just limit you to that. Take into consideration the tool that I have showed you with Google Trends and use that to find that median area, not medium, that will actually help you decide if your idea of the niche or market or industry you want to get into is going to be a viable ongoing market. So if you have any questions, please reach out. And you know something is that because I'm very direct and I'm very upfront, I tell it like it is. Don't be shy with me, okay? If you don't understand something, ask me to clarify. And you know something is that things you're going to see on the internet, majority of them are scams. I'm not going to hide it. They're scams. They're either don't exist, or they're just trying to sell you a program or a system that they somewhat developed. But what I like to do, and I am doing, is giving you the opportunity of one-to-one consultations with me, a free 30-minute consultation to find out if something's a good idea or not. And at the same time, I'm doing it live. I'm not giving you pre-recorded stuff that God knows when it was working at that time, or even if it did work. So you're getting some really good quality stuff here. So reach out to me.